pull-down closet rod storage solutions turn high, wasted closet space into usable hanging capacity for small homes. Choose the right system by measuring ceiling height and depth accurately and matching the mechanism to the load you plan to hang. Spring-assisted pull-down rods use a counterbalance spring to lower and raise a full load smoothly. Adjust tension by following the manufacturer's steps and test with a weighted jacket to ensure safe operation. Fold-down valet rods are simple wall-mounted arms that swing down for access and fold up flat to save space. Install them at shoulder height and reinforce with wall studs or heavy-duty anchors to prevent sag. Extendable telescoping rods increase horizontal reach and are best for shallow closets. Twist lock them while unloaded, then add a small rubber sleeve at the contact points to prevent metal-on-metal wear. Double rail converters create two tiers by installing a secondary rod below the primary one. Stagger garment lengths and reserve the lower rail for shorter items like shirts to maximize usable hanging area. Motorized closet rod lifts are ideal when frequent access to very high rods is needed. Choose units with soft start and soft stop features, hardwired or battery options depending on your wiring skills, and always lock out power before performing any maintenance. A common mistake is underestimating weight capacity, which leads to bending or failure. Always check load ratings and distribute weight evenly across the rod and into studs or rated anchors. Another frequent issue is poor placement that causes garments to obstruct doors. Position pull-down systems so garments clear folding or sliding doors by measuring door swing or track clearance before installation. People also forget maintenance, so mechanisms stiffen over time. Lubricate pivot points annually with a dry silicone spray, inspect fasteners every 6 months, and tighten or replace worn components promptly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking to expand closet capacity with local contractors who can install these solutions and adapt them to unusual spaces. We host a discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations so our members can make better choices and find work.